back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to track ROI with UTM parameters in GA5. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you gotta do is simply go to Google Analytics 4. Once you're in your Google Analytics 4, you need to simply tap it on and get into it. So tracking return on investment, that is ROI in GA4, which the user refers to as GA5 currently, with UTM parameters involve a process of tagging campaign links. After this, you can view the that results to trafficking and conversion data in GA4 reports, and you can use the conversion values to calculate the final or financial values. So you need to create a UTM tagged URL by defining name conventions, using a URL builder, implementing the link and shortening your link, and then you can configure your conversion in GA4 and analyze the campaign data. You can simply calculate ROI through it and you're all set. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.